Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to another video. Space Captain AFP here. And in this one, I'm just walking to another forest which is near my house. So look, the forest is to the left. Yeah, there's some berry bushes here. Not here, but uh, just before where I was walking. There's some berry bushes there, but no berries because it's not a season for them. But the forest, I can see the forest now. Just go walking up to it. How you guys and girls doing today? I'm doing very well. Still gotta record another Minecraft video. Don't know what I'm gonna build. I'm thinking about building a waterfall thingy there for the boats, like something like an aqua park. Look, no drinking this water. One time I was thinking about drinking it, but I'm like, no. I was on call to my family, and they said to not drink it because it might come from the reservoir. Look, I'm in the forest now. There's some steps. There's a bench up this hill, which I'm gonna show it to you guys. Hard work getting these up these steps. I'll get there eventually. Some fallen trees. Random log here. I read like 20 pages today of the book that I've been reading called Presence by Amy Cuddy. Oh look, someone made a fire here. Gosh, you gotta be careful with that. It might cause fire to the whole forest. But there's that bench that I was talking about. It's just here. I'm gonna sit down. Nice. But yeah, I read like 20 pages of the book. I'm almost finishing. I think there's like 40 pages left. So probably the day after tomorrow I'll finish it. Just gotta keep going with it. I'm reading 1 hour every time I read it, every day. 1 page, 1 hour every day that goes past. I read 1 hour of the book. So yeah, making progress slowly and steady. So yeah, the birds are making noises, the tweeting. Oh. The sound of the tweeting of the birds sounds like a jungle. Sounds like I'm in the jungle right now if I close my eyes. Ah, that's the stuff. That's the stuff. Anyway, guys and girls, thank you for watching. This has been Space Captain AFP. I'm gonna go now because I'm gonna go home. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you liked it, leave a like, leave a comment down below if you want to, of anything really. And until next time, until then, bye bye.